How to make your very own chocolate hazelnut spread. You're going to start off by sifting about 2 cups of cocoa powder into a small bowl. Next, you'll add about 3/4 cup of sweetener. I'm using monk fruit. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then add plant milk and hazelnut meal little by little, checking for consistency to make sure that it's as creamy as possible. I'm using a Vitamix to smooth out the mixture. You can use this spread for crepes, baking, or pastries. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.